Hello everyone, I'm Michael from Unittracker.net here with another tutorial. Now before we begin, I want to let you know that if you have not watched our previous videos on downloading Linux Mint and our video on installing VirtualBox, then I would recommend watching those prior to this tutorial as it will help you better understand what we are going to do. Now in this video, we will be going over how to install our previously downloaded Linux Mint ISO to our previously set up virtual machine, or VM for short. If you were following our instructions from our previous videos, then select the virtual machine that we created and click Settings. The next thing you want to do is head over to the Storage tab, go under the Controller IDE section and click on the CD with the plus symbol on it. Make sure not to accidentally click on the hard drive with the plus next to it, because it will ask you to select the VDI folder instead of what we actually want, the bootable ISO which we had downloaded in our previous video. Now moving on, after pressing the button you will be prompted to choose a disk. Click that and then navigate to wherever you downloaded the ISO to and click Open. Once that is complete, we will check the Live CD/DVD box. This will tell the virtual machine that it's a bootable ISO file. Then click OK, and we are now finally ready to boot. We will then proceed with clicking Start up at the top. Now we will be given 10 seconds to interrupt the boot process, and you can do that by pressing any key. And by doing that, you'll be given this menu. You can recover the OS here if it's broken, test the memory, or just go ahead and install. Now that we are booted into Linux Mint 17, let's take a look around. We have the start bar at the bottom with our menu. In here you will find everything our distro has to offer. You can search for anything here and it will come up. But for now, let's go ahead and install Mint. Come over here to the top and click the install icon. Now the amount of time this may take may vary based on your system's configuration. For the purpose of this video, we're going to go ahead and speed it up for you. Since we are using a VirtualBox, we have to remove the bootable ISO file that we set in the beginning of this video, so we will go ahead and restart. Now to remove that ISO that we set before, go to Settings, Storage, click on it and click this little remove icon on the bottom. And click OK, and we're ready to go. We'll be using our own Linux Mint installation. Now we're going to go ahead and reboot back up into it, and if all went well, we should be using our own Linux Mint installation. We'll go ahead and log in with our username, and then our password. Let me readjust the screen here. And that's it. We are now using our custom installation of Linux Mint. That's it for this tutorial, everyone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. For now, I'm Michael, and we will see you in the next one.